Welcome to Direct 4x4. Today we're going to look at another fitting video. This time it's the Jeep Cherokee, and if we follow me underneath I'll show you how the brackets fit. This is on a 2015 plate. We've removed a lot of the under trays on this side just so you can see, but basically it's a bracket that fits here and it comes through, and it's just a T-bolt right underneath there on a small bracket that fits at the very back here. The under trays actually are just 10mm bolts, that's all it is. So we've left this one down so you can see them fitted. So it's again a T-bolt into there and it brackets up. On the middle bracket it's a T-bolt into the chassis there and then fitted onto the boards there at the very bottom there. This is quite nice and tight. And on the front bracket again it's a T-bolt in the chassis there and a T-bolt in the chassis here. Now on this one you have a little lip just by the exhaust, and if you can just pull that down a little bit it'll reveal a little patch there like here, and you can just put a T-bolt in and that will tighten up quite nicely on there, and then just push that back so it fits. It's just a little protector on that side. The same as that's for the passenger side. On the driver's side we've obviously got the under trays in place on that. You need to cut a little bit out of the under tray to make sure that it will go in. Again, it's a T-bolt on the same thing, and you may have to trim just a little bracket there, just grind it down so you can pull it down, then push it back up once the T-bolt's in, and then a T-bolt in there. Again, it's the same, identical to the passenger side. Again, there, T-bolts into the, just drop in, and then fits on the board there for the middle bracket, and then on the back bracket, straightforward, T-bolt into the chassis, and then onto the boards there and there. So it's fairly simple to do on this one. Basically it's dropping your under tray so you can get that done. But if you have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to contact us at Direct 4x4, or email us, or even look at our website where all the fitting instructions are there. So that's the Grand Cherokee. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time on Direct 4x4.